The long-cherished dream to have a common community hall for Laitkor, Dorbar, Pyllun was materialized today. The community hall was inaugurated by Meghalaya Chairman State Planning Board Lambor Malngiang amidst government officials, Dorbar representatives and church elders at Laitkor in Shillong. Former Meghalaya Minister and the then Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills District H.S. Shilla initiated the construction of the community hall. The unaccomplished work of late Shilla was later continued by Lambor till it saw the light of day. Speakers on the occasion viewed the completion of the construction of the community hall as a sign of unity that exists among the residents of Laitkor. Speaking on the occasion, Lambor Malngiang informed that he, along with the Dorbar authorities and elders of Laitkor, could do a lot of good things, including distribution of essential items for the residents of Laitkor during the COVID-19 pandemic. Lambor Malngiang also informed the gathering that the state government through the PHE department will start the water supply scheme for Laitkor, and 5 crore out of the total project cost of 29 crore rupees has already been sanctioned.
The construction of the school kalau life sangat kandikan materials ibarat segi nam dalam utmai apa ketika kamera. So dengan ayo mulai doa yang start nama kami ini juga berdoa doa yang start dengan bangkit direkam okey hadu kata-kata. Kalau kamu nak pen yang setiap berdoa Kamu mengayu kejadian Laitkor kami menghambat pen yang isan pusau dari departemen apa berjalan. Kamu dari masuk. Kamu menghambat kit sedang ada konsumsi. Kamu dari pakai. Regular start, why the board, everything start. Menganyo akan berkat. Namun tak jumpa jam time berapa. Kawai ka siwa katong hadin ka board wala bayi. Mentating sidayo labiak panay ya ka-agreement kabiyasain katong jong ka-PHE department but kanina company kamanuan country ya buong. Pangasiwa katong kanina katong kajingkerku kabakraw na panajan basnam hay marakaway.
The Block Development Officer of Malngiang Block, Peter Tremi Pasar, termed the completion of Laitkor Community Hall as a sign of unity among the residents.
Kajing Italy unity trong baru ini kita bersama. Naya tang sausnam hendak kita yang building ngilak mengikat ke convergence project. Bonse di project kita lastang di Dubai kami kemat dalam benda shoot satu kan benda. Kenai hadini hingga kini building lah sedang di Dubai kenai lah benda penpun yang di Dubai pak. Teknik kalau kami iba kalau tak jing Italy, tak jing Italy kita dalam mat, kalau jing Italy jeng baru.
Speaking on the occasion, Mrs. Sweet C. Myong, the daughter of late H.S. Shilla, expressed deep gratitude to the Laitkor Dorbar for remembering the good work done by her father.
Nama nangin kami ke rai tam jong video, dari di sini sebut jumut lang jong baru, ba karon ni manciyeng banwan ay banwan khat semua hai ni bagi kita bertahan ni. Jadi, nak berapa jenis semua, ba dah kalau kuno kajian kenal lagi kadang nyaidan, ba nak teman kadang nyaisak, kajian kenal ni pa. Bahkan dia kajing yang juga dia kajing hilang. Bahkan dia kapani bahkan orang kam kapalnya, melang dia, dia manuai melang dia. Mereka kalau pas mutunan, umbai ong I betan, ba iba Lambor ikam kentat, pendak yang ke ba iba sedang.
The function was lighted up by song rendered by the students of St. Joseph's Social and Cultural Organization, Laitkor.